Bye.
Smile, Jessica. Oh wait, are you recording?
Uh-huh.
You're not afraid, are you? Look at beautiful. Look all around. We're just going by houses.
Her very first boat ride. She was 1 and couldn't talk, but she went.
Did she?
It was her whining.
Adrian, you like this, huh?
I know, I'm scared.
Don't
Why?
be scared, sweetie.
What are you scared of?
I'm tipping over.
We won't tip over.
This
It's
is
about-
as fast as we're going. We're not going any faster than this.
This is
Here
it.
we come to clear water. See the clear water up ahead?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to get out of the lily pads, the little lily pads. Adrian, if you see dragonflies, they're good luck. See them next to Mommy up there on the dashboard?
Mommy, there's one on you.
Yeah.
They don't bite.
They're good luck. They bring you good luck. They don't hurt. They don't do anything.
Why is it a little bit tipping over?
Oh, that's just because
Here,
I'm sitting
I'll
on
sit
the,
on one
Caroline,
side.
the whole seat turns. Just be careful of the steering wheel, but you can turn it so you're comfortable. There we
Gotcha.
go. Now we're out of the yuckiness. Look around, Jessica. Look at all the houses and the boats. What do you think, kiddo? Is this cool?
That little scratch.
What?
Oh, the seat's so low.
Well, we'll be careful.
Oh, it is plastic.